All right, let's talk about one of the powers that the Congress is given by the Constitution, and that's admitting new states to the Union. One of the things that Congress can do is they can okay or approve a new state. They play a key role all throughout the process. First of all, the Congress has to guarantee Republican form of government. So Congress would not seat like representatives or senators from that state if they decided like we're going to go communist or something. They would turn them away from being a part of the House of Representatives and the Senate. So Congress protects every state from having a Republican form of government. By Republican form of government, I don't mean like Republicans and Democrats, Republican like democracy. Let's see. Congress is also going to protect other states from losing part of their own state to form another one. That's something that Congress would not admit another state if somebody decided, hey, we're going to take the northern part of Michigan and make that its own state, make it North Michigan. You can't do that without the approval of the state legislature in Michigan. If Michigan's like, we just as soon be two states, like we have nothing in common with the people in the UP, let's make them their own thing. We'd rather not do that. So if a state legislature wants to do that, they can. So you can't take bits of other states. You can't split one in half or say we're going to combine, northern Ohio and southern Michigan and make that a state. And now we got 3 instead of 2. Like, again, all that has to be approved by the individual state legislatures, and then Congress has to say like, yeah, we're good with that too. If Michigan's like, hey, we want the UP to be their own state, and the Mitten can be its own state, and Congress is like, oh, we don't think so, then Congress can stop that from happening. Finally, the president has to sign that into law once it's passed through. Once the state comes up with its own constitution, it's approved by Congress. All the different stipulations are approved by Congress. And again, they submit that to a president like they would a law, and the president signs it saying, we do accept that UP is now northern Michigan, and that's its 51st state or something. Okay, so that's the process for making a new state. Again, Congress has the ability to do that, control most of that action. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please contact me. If not, I will see you soon.